first thing we're gonna do is, you can roll this right here to see if it's enough width. It is. So what I do is I like to fold my edges. So I'm gonna fold this edge, and then see if I folded it too much. I'm gonna fold this edge a little bit because I folded that one pretty large. But folded edges just make it look a little neater. Oops, folded it too much. Welcome to Fran's Friday Hack. Today's hack is wrapping Christmas gifts. Now, if you're like me and you wait till the last minute to get out there, this is not the year. A lot of stuff is gone. So I'm gonna show you how to take this dollar store item to make your Christmas gift look amazing.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pom-pom and we're gonna cut it so that we have one pom-pom. Then we're gonna take and wrap this pom-pom around here. We want the string to be really large, long rather, because this is a big gift. All right, so we're gonna put this on the side, but we're gonna start wrapping our gift first. First thing we're gonna do is, you can roll this right here to see if it's enough width. It is. So what I do is I like to fold my edges. So I'm gonna fold this edge, and then see if I folded it too much. I'm gonna fold this edge a little bit because I folded that one pretty large. But folded edges just make it look a little neater. Oops, folded it too much. So once I fold it, I'm gonna tape it. So I'm gonna take about 4 pieces of tape and put it off to the side so it just makes it easier. All right, that was 3. I'm gonna put that down there, get another piece of tape, turn this around, smooth it out, and I fold it inside in, seal it. I'll straighten this up. And I use newspaper because I've always used newspaper. My kids happen to buy wrapping paper. I'm gonna tuck this under and just shimmy that down a little bit. The back is done. Turn it over. Gonna smooth it down. Gonna take and fold the edges in, nice and neat. All right, and I'm gonna fold this edge in. Make sure your paper is straight at the end. Bam. And then I am going to fold it down, tuck this under, and my present is wrapped. All right? Ta-da! A nicely wrapped present. So once we finish with that, we're gonna prepare the pom-pom. Now this pom-pom, you're just gonna fan it out like this, but you wanna make sure it's tight in the what you call, I'm gonna tie a little knot here so it doesn't come out. Makes it a little easier. So here we're gonna tie a little knot. So here's our little pom-pom right here. So what you're gonna do is open the pom-pom up and take one piece at a time and bring it forward. So you're gonna keep taking it. You may have to wet it a little bit to make it easier to fan it. And I save the Sundays, comics, and all the newspaper around Thanksgiving so I can wrap all of my presents. And you'll be surprised how beautiful it looks and how you recycle paper. All right, so we're done with that side. Let's switch over to this side. Okay, we're gonna fan this open so you can see it. So take one sheet at a time, and we used to make these in high school. If you go to the dollar store and they don't have these pom-poms, just grab you some tissue paper, and I'll show you in 1 second how you cut it. And you just fold it over, and you can make your Christmas gifts. So now we're finished with that. We're gonna put this in the corner. So I'm gonna tape this right down here. Tape it on the bedside so it can stay in place. I want it to stay in place. I'm gonna tape that over here. And then I'm gonna bring it around to the back. I'm trying to think how I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it like this. Tape it over to the side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And I'm just gonna tape it down. I'm gonna tape it so that it meets. Whoa, whoa, I dropped the bow. I'm gonna tape it so that it meets and so it doesn't move. If I can get the tape out. That's why it's easier if you have the tape already laid out. And then I'm gonna tape this side. Did I get it tight enough? I'm gonna tape another piece down right here. Oh, I can't get the tape. Okay. So then I'm gonna add a little gold bow. Or some ribbon rather. So at the dollar store, they have this ribbon, which is amazing. And this ribbon has wire in it. So it helps you. I'm gonna put this right under here so that my bow sits right on this piece of ribbon. And I'm gonna cut it so it doesn't look so messy. So you may have to shimmer it out. So here is my Christmas gift. And I use newspaper and it's just as beautiful. Newspaper sometimes can be a little thicker than some of the dollar store Christmas tree paper, Christmas wrapping paper rather. But there's my Christmas gift. And you can add anything on it. You can add bows if you want. I got these from the dollar store and they're a really nice product. That's it for today's hack.
So, what hack would you like to see next? Let us know down in the comments.
Today. If you have any questions, share, like, and subscribe to us. And thank you for joining us at Fran's Friday Hacks.